Looking for the best smartwatches in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 7 best smartwatches, ranked from number 7 to number 1, covering everything from health tracking and battery life to design and compatibility. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Ticwatch Pro 5, a rugged, performance-driven smartwatch designed for Android users who demand long battery life and reliable health tracking. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 platform and running on Wear OS, this watch offers smooth performance and efficient power usage. One of its standout features is the dual-layer display, which allows up to 80 hours of battery life in smart mode, a huge plus for those tired of charging every night. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate its comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate, SpO2, sleep monitoring, and stress tracking. With built-in GPS, compass, barometer, and 5 ATM water resistance. It's also built for outdoor adventures. The watch feels solid on the wrist, with a premium obsidian finish that balances sporty and sleek. However, it's only compatible with Android, which may limit its appeal for iPhone users. Still, for Android users who prioritize performance, durability, and battery life, the Ticwatch Pro 5 is a great value pick to kick off our list. At number 6, we have the Amazfit T-Rex 3, a rugged, military-grade smartwatch designed for extreme durability and adventure-ready performance. With its bold 48mm case and 328-foot water resistance, this watch is built to survive the harshest conditions, whether you're hiking, swimming, or tackling intense workouts. One of its biggest highlights is 170 sports modes, which makes it incredibly versatile for all types of users, from gym-goers to outdoor adventurers. It also features offline maps, so you can navigate confidently even without a signal. The built-in GPS system with enhanced privacy ensures accurate tracking without compromising your location data, running on Zepp OS. The watch offers AI-powered insights and voice control for hands-free operation. It's also compatible with both Android and iOS, making it highly accessible. Battery life is impressive, offering up to several days of power depending on usage. While the design is bulky and leans toward a tactical aesthetic, it's perfect for users who value strength and outdoor features over minimalism. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 is an ideal choice for those who want military-grade toughness, powerful tracking, and multi-device compatibility, all without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 5 is the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, a stylish yet powerful smartwatch that blends premium design with pro-level functionality. The 46mm case sports a sharp-edged aesthetic, giving it a bold and elegant look, perfect for both business and casual settings. One of its strongest features is the up to 14-day battery life, which easily outperforms many competitors. Whether you're traveling or working out daily, you won't need to worry about frequent charging. On the inside, it's packed with advanced health tracking, including heart rate monitoring, SpO2, sleep analysis, stress tracking, and more. This watch also caters to athletes and fitness enthusiasts with pro-level sports modes that track detailed performance metrics across a variety of workouts. The dual compatibility with both Android and iOS makes it accessible to nearly everyone, though some features may be slightly limited on iOS. The AMOLED display is sharp and vibrant, offering excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. While it doesn't run Wear OS, the proprietary Harmony OS is smooth, fast, and user-friendly. If you're looking for a smartwatch that combines luxury looks, long battery life, and serious fitness features, the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro is a top contender. At number 4, we have the Garmin fēnix 7X Pro Sapphire Solar, a powerhouse multi-sport GPS smartwatch built for extreme performance and endurance. Designed with adventure in mind, it features a rugged titanium case, scratch-resistant sapphire lens, and solar charging capabilities to extend battery life even further. One of the standout features is its solar-powered battery, which can deliver up to 37 days in smartwatch mode when exposed to sufficient sunlight, perfect for outdoor adventurers, hikers, and athletes who spend days off-grid. It also includes a built-in LED flashlight, making it ideal for nighttime runs or emergency use. Health and fitness tracking is where this watch truly excels. It offers advanced metrics like VO2 max, endurance score, sleep score, real-time stamina, and pulse ox, along with GPS navigation and topographic maps for backcountry exploration. This watch is not just for the wilderness, it's also smart, with notifications, music storage, and Garmin Pay all on board. While it's more of a niche pick for serious users, its performance, durability, and solar tech justify the premium. If you need a rugged, full-featured smartwatch that can keep up with your toughest adventures, the fēnix 7X Pro is built to lead the way. Landing at number 3 is the Google Pixel Watch 3, 45mm, the latest flagship smartwatch from Google, blending sleek design with deep Fitbit integration and AI-powered health insights. With its larger display and refined matte hazel aluminum case, this model brings both style and performance to your wrist. The Pixel Watch 3 features 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, SpO2 readings, and ECG functionality, all powered by Fitbit's advanced health algorithms, giving you personalized insights into your wellness and fitness routines. Whether you're running, walking, or doing yoga, it intelligently tracks over 40 workout types. With built-in LTE, you can stay connected even without your phone. Make calls, stream music, or respond to messages right from your wrist. It also supports Google Assistant, Maps, Calendar, Gmail, and more, keeping you productive on the go. Battery life hits a solid 24 hours, and the fast charging feature gives you a day's power in just minutes. Plus, with the new Android Wear OS, everything feels snappier and smoother than ever. If you're looking for a premium Android smartwatch with polished design and Fitbit-powered health tracking, the Pixel Watch 3 is a top-tier contender. At number 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Pro, a powerhouse smartwatch that blends rugged durability, cutting-edge health features, and advanced performance. Built for Android users, especially Galaxy phone owners, this model delivers a polished experience in every category. The Galaxy Watch 7 Pro boasts a premium titanium case with a sapphire crystal display, offering both a luxurious look and extreme durability. It's IP68 rated and MIL STD810H certified, making it resistant to water, dust, and harsh environments. The 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display is bright and crisp, ideal for both outdoor adventures and daily wear. Inside, you get Samsung's latest bioactive sensor, which combines heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, and body composition analysis in one powerful system. Add in ECG monitoring, blood pressure measurement, and fall detection, and it's a true health companion on your wrist. Navigation and fitness tracking are excellent, thanks to dual-band GPS, over 100 workout modes, and automatic activity recognition. With a large battery and efficient processor, the Watch 7 Pro offers up to 3 days of use on a single charge. If you want a smartwatch that delivers durability, health insights, and smart features in a premium package, the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro is a nearly unbeatable choice. Taking the number 1 spot is the Apple Watch Series 10, the ultimate smartwatch experience for iPhone users. With its sleek 46mm jet black aluminum case and comfortable black sport band, it combines style, performance, and health tracking in one powerful package. This latest model features a stunning always-on Retina display that's brighter and more energy efficient than ever. Powered by Apple's newest chip, the Series 10 runs smoother, opens apps faster, and integrates seamlessly with your iPhone. In terms of health and fitness, you get advanced features like ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, and a new AI-driven fitness coach. It's also water-resistant, making it perfect for swimming and workouts in any weather. Plus, with watchOS improvements, battery life is more efficient, offering all-day performance with ease. Whether you're checking notifications, using Apple Pay, or staying on top of your wellness goals, the Apple Watch Series 10 does it all, with style and precision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more top tech picks in 2025. Check the description for links to all the smartwatches we covered. See you in the next video.